Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be filming a little video on, we're about to go get something for dinner, and then we're going to try out the night mode on this camera. I got the Osmo Action 5 Pro, which is like a GoPro sort of camera, and yeah, I'm excited for that. So, we have arrived in Fremantle again, once again, and there's a little burger joint on the corner of this street that I'm going to take you guys to, which I think you guys will like. All the nice lights in Freo. Hopefully it picks up. Hopefully it's picking up most of these lights. Well, hopefully you guys can feel like you're actually here riding with me. Yeah. Alright, so that burger joint is actually closed down. The one that I was going to go to, so it looks like we're going to have to go somewhere else. I actually don't know where we're going to eat now. You know what, we'll get fish and chips. I'll show you guys fish and chips instead. I was hoping for a burger, but it doesn't look like that's going to happen. I mean, we got all this nice footage now though. Like all this. You guys can experience the streets in Freo. What are the rules? This will have to do. Would be nice if I could park my bike somewhere over here, but don't know if you're allowed. Anyway, so we're going to park our motorbike just there because I don't know where you're allowed to park. It's pretty wild here, guys. This is the view around. Gonna have our fish and chips now, which is looking pretty good. I'll show you guys in a minute. Alright guys, we finished eating. See if this night mode's working a little bit better. See this in my background, see if it picks up all this. Nice scenery. We're going to go for a ride through the city now. It's going to be good. I'm excited for that. And yeah, stay tuned. Alright, so now we're going to go through Freo again. And we're going to have a look at all the lights. See what it's like with this super night mode on the Action 5 Pro. Hopefully you guys can see everything pretty clearly. I'm going to be good enough. Looks quite nice around here. This is Cicerello's. It used to be a very busy place. Now looks like it's actually getting a few more people back. It's actually a lot nicer during night time to ride. Alright, so round 2, this is what it looks like with super night mode activated. Not too bad, I hope. I don't actually see the footage yet, but I will be seeing it later. And you guys can tell me in the comments what you guys think. I'm actually thinking it's actually going to be alright. Perth, it's my city, and I love it. Yeah, I love it. I want to make me, and when need me, when I get my way, I'm gonna stay here for life. Bam! Wow, 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 wow. Fuck, I love riding. I love it. Like, where are we going today? Oh, that's right. You know where we're... Oh, no. Nah, it is recording. Damn, imagine if it's not recording. That would suck. And you gotta indicate, and then you gotta stop because the person behind you maybe a copper. It looks like this looks like a battlefield map, you know, like this is crazy. North Shark Canals, if anyone remembers, that's where we're at the moment, if that's even how you pronounce it. Battlefield 3, or was it Battlefield 4? I don't even know. Hey, what you doing? I'm walking here. The Popo. Holy shit, I might have to pull this guy over. This cop is speeding. I don't like that. One set of rules for them, one set of rules for us. Nah. I'm gonna do a citizen's arrest on this bloke. Nice. Alright, now we're at Perth. Here we go. Time to get some good footage. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Unfortunately, it looks like most of the shit is closed down. The roads are closed down, so I can't really do what I wanted to do. It is what it is, but I'm making YouTube videos, yeah. Yeah. Life of Danny King. Is that road closed? Yeah. Life of Danny King. So, no, I only just started making videos. Yeah. I got a new camera now. I was using this side one, but oh yeah, that side. This one. Yeah. Have a good one, boys. Fuck this shit, bro. Oh man, time to go home. Alright guys, this is coming towards the end of the ride. A lot of it was just testing out this camera. I hope you guys liked the footage. Yeah, unfortunately, a lot of the streets were closed, but we'll see what the footage is like and after I edit it. This video is more just testing of this camera. We'll be going back to more lifestyle and experience videos after this, but I just wanted to give it a go and see how well this camera played out. And we were going to review the footage after. And yeah. You know guys, there's not much going on, so I'll meet you guys back at home. Thanks guys for watching. Unfortunately, I might have messed around with the settings, so I'm going to go review the footage and see if it's come out all right. Yeah, this video was just to show off the camera, just to see how good it is. It's only a small little action camera. Just wanted to test it out, and yeah. So if you guys want to see more content, let me know down below what you guys want to see, more motorbike videos maybe. And yeah, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys soon.